Hello friends, what is self-talk? Self-talk is the internal dialogue. It is the dialogue which goes on between us and our subconscious mind. Self-talk can be positive or negative. It depends on our personality. If we are a positive person, having positivity in our thoughts, our self-talk will be positive. If not, it is going to be negative. Now, science proves that people who have positive self-talk have a very good immune system, are healthy, and lead a stress-free life. When we know that positive self-talk is so useful, why can't we have a positive self-talk always? Let us check. Do we have a negative self-talk? It depends the kind of feelings we have when we face a challenge or any situation. It's very simple how we can shift our negative thoughts to positive, leading it to a positive self-talk. There are few situations in which how we think leads to our self-talk. For example, if anything happens, might not be as the way we want it, or I can say maybe wrong happens, unpleasant happens, how do you or we take it? Makes a difference. If we start blaming ourselves again and again for any problem or loss occurred because of us, what are we doing? We are a negative person then. And then every time we will be talking with ourselves, oh, because of you it happened, because of you it happened, and so that self-talk will always put you in distress, and then that leads to a negative self-talk, you can say. Secondly, if you have a problem, how do you look at it? Do you look at it as a problem which can never be solved, or you feel that okay, let me take it as a challenge and find out the solution, because we all know every lock has a key, every problem has a solution, so we can think of working on it. If you are thinking to work on it, you have a positive self-talk. You keep just think, okay, this is the thing, if I do like this, yes, this can be solved, and then step by step you can even discuss with people who can help you solve that problem. But you should not sit with the problem feeling that it can never be solved. Then you will have a positive self-talk. Then the third one, when there is a problem or a challenge coming in front of you, how do you take it? Do you start relating it with the coming problems, and that small problem starts looking like a very big issue? Or just you look at the particular challenge in front of you and try to solve it? If you are looking at it as a small problem and finding out solutions, it means you will have a positive self-talk because you are thinking to solve it. You are not thinking to relate it with coming problems. And the last one is that what kind of people are there, what kind of situations are there. Don't divide it in just two categories. Either it is very good or it is very bad. There is a middle way always. Maybe the problem is very big, but there can be few things coming good out of it. So not focusing on negativity, but focusing on the positive part of it. Like we say, if there is a glass which is having half water, how do we look at it? Do we look at it that it is half empty, or do we look at it that it is half filled? Now there is third perception looking at the glass is at least there is something in the glass. That is the positive part. So it is your way of looking at things. If you look at positive things, you will keep talking to yourself about solutions, praising yourself. Maybe you have done something which was not very good, but you did it. So either you keep thinking with yourself, again self-talk is that, oh, I couldn't make it, it was not that good, it was not appreciated by people and this and that. Or you can think by yourself, at least I gave it a try, somewhere I was lacking, and let me work on it and I'll improve. That is also a way of talking to yourself. So friends, Have a positive self-talk. Keep motivating yourself. Positive self-talk will always help you achieve whatever you want because it will motivate you by yourself. Talk to yourself. Appreciate yourself before anyone else. You are the one. First you appreciate yourself and then people will do it. Have a positive self-talk. It will lead to a happy and healthy life. Thank you. Now, those who are new to my channel, I would request them to like, share and subscribe. I would also request you to comment about how you have your self-talk. Does your self-talk motivates you or sometimes pushes or pulls you down? Share your views. If you want some other topics to discuss, kindly give your comments. I will be waiting for it. Thank you. Namaskar.